I just wanted to show what else it can do, the software for tiling. This is set for 40 inches. You got 5 pages across and 4 down, so on 20 pages. So at 40 inches, that's very large. So 24. So really nice software. You generate the PDF, and you could call it what you want. You know, download it wherever you want it. I could send it to you. Really nice. Then as well, you can import images. You could change the image and go to patterns. The only thing I've noticed that it only works with PNG, which is fine. It's easy to convert. So PNG is another format for JPEG. JPEG has a little bit more, but PNG is basically your format if you want to remove background for tile, not for tile, for Cricut software. Say you're doing a cutting, say a smaller cutting. You can export the PNG with the transparent background, so your lines are cut on your plotters. And if you're using Design Space for Cricut, you can easily import JPEGs and do that as well. But the PNG format seems to work with this software, which is fine. And the conversion is very easy to do. When I resize images to do this sizing, I set it up. I crop it right to the parameters of the image, and then I could stretch it if I need to. If I wanted, if you wanted, say, image 24 by 28, I do that in my other software, which it'll bring the circle to an oval or racetrack, or more or less an oval, and then bring it into the tile software and print it up to any size you want. Just wanted to show what it can do. Say 8 feet. Oh, right? Is that 80? No, that's 96. 88. Yeah, okay, 96. So 8 foot. That's how many pages it'll print. If you want an 8-foot circle and you want to print it at home, you can do it. It'll take up some paper, but it'll work. Hope this little video helped. Thanks for watching.